Welcome to the Programming Exam Solution Tutorials for the Noughts and Crosses Comp 1 exam. We're on to PEST 4 now, and this time we're going to be looking at how can we check if a diagonal has won. So currently the program only checks vertical and horizontal, and really all we're going to do is just check that three elements are the same. Is 1 1, 2 2 and 3 3 the same? Or of course 1 3, 2 2, 3 1. We also need to check that it's not just a space, because of course when the game starts they are the same, but they're all a space, and we're just going to check that we're just going to use exactly the same format that the exam board have used. Let's have a look at the code, and here we are in check X or O has won, and here are the two exam boards checks for vertical and horizontal. They've used loops because it's nice to use a loop, because you can just go row 1, row 2, row 3. For the diagonals you can't really, we're just going to do the two statements separately. And I've actually just constructed this already, but you could have just copied and pasted it from here really. If board 1 1 equals board 2 2 and board 2 2 equals board 3 3, and board 2 2 isn't a space, that's a not, then X or O has won equals true. So basically it will trigger the fact that somebody's won. Don't forget this little underscore here just means you're allowed to use a new line. It means you can split one line of code over two lines just to make it that little bit more readable. And I'm now just going to go copy and paste, and what I'm going to do is just change it so it goes 1 3 and 3 1. So that's 1 3 2 2 3 1. Everything else is the same, and this is the two diagonals. That's for one diagonal, that's for the other. Really simple, very similar to previous code given to you. It's a pretty safe bet that's going to be in the exam in one form or another.